Papa.
Sneaking on me. Piakin, what on earth are you doing here now? Hey, what is it? What would they call this kind of rubbish one?
Papa, you Nabado. You are the one I should be asking this question.
Me thunder from above. Straight your useless mouth.
Papa.
You that is asking, eh? What does he look like I'm doing? Eh? What does he look like I'm doing?
Papa, from what I see, it's like I just snapped on table.
Behind this wall, bring that voice now, or I bring it down for you. Point of correction, I'm not chasing after her.
Oh, Papa, tell me what you are doing if you are not chasing after Auntie Ebere.
See, Ken, see that girl that is there? Eh? I am managing that girl. I am just managing her. And you Ken, don't try to stop me. Don't try to stop me. Don't try to stop me. Time to strike.
Oh, me be quick. Stop this your silly game now. You know I haven't finished yet.
Oh, sweetheart. So you don't recognize my voice again?
Yeah, Oga landlord. What's the meaning of this rubbish? Eh?
Baby, just relax. Relax. I'm a landlord, and you know I love you so much. Eh? Relax.
Oga landlord, you are very, very mad. In fact, you are stupid.
Me? Eh? Me? But my love.
Wait, who is your love? Love kill you there. I say love kill you there. Why can't you leave me alone? I'm not your type. And come to think of it, am I owing you? Ejim Gogwa.
No, nah. No. You're not owing me. But see, I have fallen for you. Eh?
See, Oga landlord, hold it there. As you can see, I was doing something before you came in, so walk out.
Baby, my own love.
Yeah, baby, Oga landlord. Before I open my eyes at the count of 3, Ishileba, get lost now. Or
what? Everybody, I said or what? Okay, just because I said I love you now. Eh? You want to come and take? Or what? Everybody, tell me or what? Eh?
yeah, landlord, I will slap the hell out of you now.
Da! Everybody, ask me. Da! Over my short body. Eh? Over my short body. Would that happen? Eh? Don't tell me.